Kalgidhar Academy Dugri observed World Earth Day and the school premises. The World Earth Day, also known as the International Mother Earth Day, is celebrated every year on April 22nd. Keeping in view the theme of the World Earth Day 2022, that is, Invest in Our Planet, the students of the school gave voice to their notions through choreography, speech, and poem. They gifted sapling to one another to create awareness about the dire need to protect our environment. During assembly, the teachers imparted information about the importance of trees in saving our environment. Principal of the school extolled the joint efforts of teachers as well as students and motivated them to be active participants in such sort of activities and showing their sense of responsibility toward Mother Planet.